Welcome back to the Altitude Addicts channel. Today, we are breaking down a big milestone in autonomous rail technology. Russian Railways has officially wrapped up the first major testing phase of their brand new digital brain at one of their busiest marshalling hubs. We are looking at smart route planning, driverless locomotives, and robotic wagon uncouplers, all operating as one unified ecosystem. You will want to stay tuned until the very end to see how these localized trials are set to transform thousands of miles of mainline rail networks. The first phase of testing for the Center for the Automation of Shunting Operations at the Chelyabinsk-Glavny marshalling yard has been finalized by Russian Railways, or RZD. The complex is a critical component of the company's Digital Railway Station initiative. It functions as the computational brain that coordinates the movement of shunting locomotives within the railway center. Unlike the conventional system, which involves a driver directly operating the locomotive, the new architecture delegated a large portion of these functions to automated systems. The center processes data and generates instructions for locomotives outfitted with the Avtomashinist automated driving system. It also continuously receives information regarding the condition of the surrounding railroad infrastructure. Consequently, the shunting locomotive is assigned a digital task to execute a particular operation, rather than receiving individual commands from a human operator. So basically, the train gets a full to-do list uploaded straight into its onboard computer, instead of having some guy radio in every single switch flip. The tests are currently being conducted by two shunting locomotives, a TEM-7A and a TEM-23, both of which are equipped with the Avtomashinist systems. Their operation is enabling RZD to evaluate the reliability of the central system's ability to coordinate locomotive movements under real conditions at a significant marshalling station. This brings us straight into the inner workings of how this digital station brain actually operates. The Center for the Automation of Shunting Operations is designed to facilitate the continuous exchange of data between locomotives and railroad infrastructure. The railroad interlocking and signaling systems are integrated directly with the system. It receives constant updates regarding the status of signals and the position of turnouts, which is essential for identifying completely secure travel routes. The center calculates the necessary actions and transmits route assignments to the onboard computers of the driverless locomotives after processing the incoming data. In these assignments, the locomotive is required to perform specific shunting operations and travel to precise track locations. Stick around, because up next we are diving into how obstacle detection works and how autonomous uncouplers fit into this equation. Consequently, the digital system establishes a connection between the station's infrastructure and its rolling stock, transforming them into a unified technological environment. The system's capacity to adjust to actual conditions that differ from the original plan is a critical feature. A sequence of subsequent movements can easily be thrown off by a minor delay in just one yard operation. In the event of an unforeseen delay, the center recalculates the routes on the fly and generates updated assignments as per RZD. This implies that the system is not just blindly following a predetermined path. It is important that the locomotive's movements be adjusted in real time in accordance with the evolving situation at the station. Now, looking directly at the engine itself, the Avtomashinist platform serves as the locomotive's automated pilot. While the central system handles overall coordination, the onboard complex executes the movements and actively monitors the immediate track environment ahead of the train. Obstacle detection is one of its most critical capabilities. Tracks get messy and things end up where they shouldn't be, so the train stopping itself without someone hitting the brakes is a huge deal. The system independently identifies hazards and brings the unit to a complete halt before reaching them. Trains operate in a complex and continually changing environment during shunting operations, making this capability particularly critical. The system must take into consideration not only the positions of turnouts and signals, but also physical objects that are located along the track. The locomotive is also intended to interact seamlessly with other robotic systems in operation across the digital yard. A prime illustration of this capability is the station's automated robotic uncoupling system. Movement planning is integrated with live data regarding infrastructure restrictions, including the active operation zones of these ground machines. Here at Altitude Addicts, we track these tech shifts closely, and it is clear the goal is far bigger than just building an unmanned train engine. Instead, RZD is creating an ecosystem where locomotives, ground robots, and railway tracks communicate as one single automated process. This dynamic leads directly into how robotic uncoupling and driverless locomotives collaborate on the ground. One of the most critical components of the digital railway station concept is the incorporation of various automated systems. Multiple employees were historically required to carry out each step sequentially at a traditional yard. Keep watching, because right ahead, we reveal the exact rollout plans through 2026 and the shift away from humans in the cab. The digital model is designed to facilitate the automatic transmission of operational data between all technological systems. Robotic equipment is currently used at Chelyabinsk-Glavny for the precise purpose of uncoupling freight wagons. In 2024, the station implemented its inaugural autonomous uncoupler system. It executes uncoupling automatically, identifies coupling types, coordinates with rolling stock movements, and assists in processing the sorting plan. By the end of 2026, RZD intends to augment the station's inventory of such robotic systems to 6 full units. This is of particular significance in the context of driverless operations. A locomotive is incapable of functioning independently of other automated equipment. The generated route must account for robot operating schedules, occupied track sections, and ongoing wagon maintenance. The outcome is a model in which the locomotive, robotic equipment, and railroad infrastructure are integrated into a single digital production system. This naturally raises the question of what happens to the human inside the locomotive cab. The current tests should not be interpreted as a completely unmanned operation just yet. A specialist remains inside the cab during this live evaluation phase. Nevertheless, the locomotive is not operated manually by that individual. They are just sitting there watching computer monitors do the actual work, basically acting as a safety net if something glitches out. The employee oversees the automated system's behavior and the overall progress of the task. The longer-term objective is distinct. It is expected that the driver will gradually transition from a direct in-cab operator to a remote operator supervising multiple automated operations from a dispatch office. Under this setup, the operator monitors operations and receives high-definition real-time video streams from onboard cameras without needing to step inside a cab. This proves the project is far more comprehensive than simply building a single driverless engine. The Center for the Automation of Shunting Operations is merely one piece of a much larger blueprint. Back in 2023, RZD initiated the full implementation of its digital railway station concept at Chelyabinsk. The broader project includes automated platforms overseeing rolling stock diagnostics, sorting operations, robotic coupling, and locomotive routing. If you enjoy in-depth rail and engineering breakdowns like this, be sure to explore more technical deep dives on the Altitude Addicts channel. Machine vision, laser 3D scanning, thermal diagnostics, RFID tracking, and strain gauge systems are also built into the wider framework. These tools automate the collection and analysis of data regarding train health and rail infrastructure integrity. Moving outward, the experience gathered at Chelyabinsk is poised to spread across the wider national network. Chelyabinsk-Glavny was specifically chosen as the pilot site to stress test these intertwined automated systems under intense real-world provided the technology exhibits the necessary operational reliability. This testbed will serve as the template for extensive national deployment. RZD has disclosed plans to roll out Avtomashinist hardware across several major marshalling hubs. The technology is scheduled for installation on 11 new TEM-23A shunting locomotives and 15 enhanced TEM-7A locomotives for the Chelyabinsk initiative alone. This shift marks the transition into a fully integrated autonomous railroad environment. Russian Railways is progressing from isolated automated functions toward the integrated digital control of the entire transportation process. The shunting locomotive is no longer an isolated engine operated by a driver, but a connected node in a massive automated network. We thank the people who have liked, subscribed, and shared. We also thank people who have hyped the videos.